Hello traders, petar.jacimovic here from vycofanalysis.com. I want to post the update on the GBP/USD currency pair. I posted this trading idea on my journal, Forex Factory Trade, Art of Trading by Petar Serbia. So if you follow my work, you probably know that I'm bullish on the GBP/USD. I will go through the explanations and the reasons why I took the buying positions around 1.4365 level, and I will go and speak more about the testings and what is the importance of the tests on the market, because this is a very important in the professional trading. Anyway, I will start with today price action, and we can see that we got first of all the price tried to go higher. I found this cluster already since we got this. So as you see, this is where the London session started. I already got a pretty fine support cluster gathering these two swing lows, so I knew this would be the very critical support for the GBP/USD. Anyway, price went higher, and we got the widespread bar, 35 pips bar, and we got the buying climatic, so widespread bar, ultra high volume. Market doesn't like that, and there's some professionals and the sellers came in and the price dropped to about 45 pips. As you can see here, what is the crucial for me is that the bar, this down bar, actually closed well of the lows. So as you can see, it's well of the lows, it's not near the low. See? You can see here. So 36 pip drop and price rejected here and closed here. This is a first major sign of strength, in my opinion. This is a potential stopping action. So we call this bar like stopping volume and potential stopping action. As you can see, the next bar also didn't break, didn't close below this low of the previous bar, and it closed also off the lows, almost in the middle, and also the third bar closed in the middle. So there is in this in these three bars, I saw there is no real professional sellers there, which means that this is maybe only temporarily some sellings from crowd, public, or so on. Some, some trend traders try to put, they bet on the sell because we got a pretty fine downward trend and so on and so on. So probably they wanted to, continue with that trend. Anyway, the market and the smart money going usually opposite from the crowd. Basically, what we got here, if you follow the price action volume, by the way, the futures market also confirmed this one, since we also got a very strong, many contracts here and bar close in the middle. So this is a potential sign of strength. Professional stepped in slowly and steady. And what is even more important here is where this happened. It happened on the support cluster. So this is a very important, the context of where the price action happened. Again, this price action happened into this support cluster, exactly on the support. Price broke here, that to support cluster for 6-7 pips, and then back here. Okay, since I saw the strength here, even the price broke out this support, I saw the strength is there in these bars. So I knew this will be most likely the fake breakout in potential spring, what the Vycov will call the spring or the fake breakout. And it exactly happened. And after that, we saw the demand and so on. And I bought around this stage here. Okay. You can also buy here and so on. On the 5 minutes, we got also testings here. You got also testings here. You see small narrow spread of the bar and so on. You see here also strength. So basically, I saw the testings on the low frames, and I saw the strong support cluster held. We got the fake breakout or the spring, what the Vycov called spring, and I knew that there will be demand today, and that the buyers will be much stronger than the sellers, which will cause the price to go higher. Now, about the testings, about the testing parts. So I will give you one very good example for this, because I see that people, a lot of traders actually trying to predict the swings and think that, for example, let's say, I will just give you one example. So we got this, for example, this swing low. Let's say the people will try to buy thinking that this swing low is final, that we may see higher price, because they saw, for example, the strength here or something like that. They're trying to buy here. But in the professional world, you will never buy here. It doesn't matter how it looks like, how the bar looks like, or whatever. What's the most important is that we need to see that area or support on the test. And just in case that we see successful testings of that, then we may start to think to build some buying. Not before. We don't try to predict tops and bottoms. Actually, I don't try, and most of the professionals don't try. And I teach my students on my mentorship program how to avoid this, because that is a very if you're doing like this and trying to predict where will be the swing low or swing, you try to, you know, predict the swings. That's a very dangerous, and it's a very you know, very risky. What the most professionals are doing, and what I'm doing also in my trading, is we need to see the testings successful. Let's say that successful tests. It doesn't matter if I want to sell or if I want to buy. I like to see the testings of the critical. If this is a swing low, for example, let's say this is a swing low, since we got this reaction here, then I will put here, I will put this line or shape, and I will like to see the testings of this if I want to, for example, build potential higher, build buying positions. Of course, this is an Asia session, and price didn't have power to go lower or higher also. So since I trade usually from the London session, the London session started here, and as you can see, London session started here. But price here got the buying climax. Okay, you see this buying climax. So this is a 35 pips bar, and this is a potential sign of the weakness, since the market basically doesn't like the widespread bars in an ultra high volume. So the sellers came in, and we saw the supply came in, and basically what the smart money did, that they closed the buyers who bought at this stage, put the stop loss below this, and then they started to bring more demand and to put the price higher. As you can see, price is going very good, and I'm right now in plus 50 pips. Anyway, this is what the Vico called the spring, or the breakout of the trading range, since we right now can observe this basically the trading range, where we got this selling climax in the background. We got also this some strength came in, and then this is automatic rally, and then this is the testing of the ice or support, and then this is a spring, which happened here, or a fake breakout, and then the price broke out, did breakout of this resistance of the trading range, and confirmed that buyers are really interested in the higher price. And this trading range is something like accumulation on the intra to short-term frame. So this can be very nice accumulation in the next period. And you know, we got again selling climax. We have the few testings here. So as you see, the smart money, they need to test some swing highs or swing lows, or some support or resistance. They need to test this, or to test the swings, this area where the swings created. Why? Because it's a very smart. That's why I call them smart traders, or smart money. Okay, let's say you want to buy the car, you go to and see the, you see the card looks like very good. Translating this, the setups look very good on the forex, or the price action looks very good. But what the most of the people will do, most of the smart people will test that car, do the test drive, wouldn't you? So will you buy something and spend, for example, let's say 30k euros to buy the car without even test drive or something like that? It's not going on that way. So that's the same like on the forex. So let's say you have the swing low and you see the price action is very good and you buy here, but there is a big chance that smart money will test this, and if there is no successful test like we didn't have here, the price will not have power at this stage to go upward. But if you got this swing low and you see this price successfully held here, and again there is a strength here and the fake breakout and price back here, so which means this support actually held, that means that we got tested that area very well a few times. We got a strength today, a very strong sign of strength here in this area here, and that is a very you have much higher chance for your profit than if you go something without testing. That's why in the volume analysis and the volume spread analysis and the Wyckoff analysis, the testings are most important thing into triggering the setups. Tests can be in different forms. Tests can be in the high volume, like we saw here, testing of supports in a high volume, but we got a lot of strength there, so we got tests on the high volume, but tests can be also on the low volume. Okay, we're confirming that there is no real, for example, if we got a low volume test here, that will confirm that there is no real any power for the lower price. Since we got a high volume activity here, price managed to go break a 6-7 pips below the support and then back. Okay, and let's say that you bought here on this uptrust bar. Okay, if you bought here, even you got this buying climax, you need to secure after this buying climatic bar, because the buying climax, it's sign that buyers are still this is since we know that buying climax is very dangerous for trading, and it can cause the sellers to on the market, and that's exactly happened. So you need to close or secure. But after this selling climax or the stopping volume, which is happening at the very next bar in a 30 minutes time frame, we got a selling climax, which is a sign of strength from the other side, and we also got this some strength in this bar and this bar finishing in the middle, and then we saw the demand here came in, and I started to establish positions around this stage here. Okay, so again, it's I wanted to show you the professional way of trading. Okay, it doesn't matter if you whatever you trade right now, whatever technique or type of trading, whatever you do, you must have this knowledge, because this is a crucial, and I got a lot of success with the volume price action analysis, and everyone can do this, but you need to have knowledge. That's why I have my mentorship program. Again, you need to there is a lot of factors. You need to do the intermarket analysis to also compare the futures market and see what's going on there. Also be very careful about the news. Since today we didn't have any big news, I was able to build right now positions because we have no high impact news on the shell today. Tomorrow maybe we got something. I guess we got some high impact news, so I need to be very careful and potentially scale out positions if there is a news which will affect GBP or USD. But till then I can hold position and try to take my profit before some high impact news, before the release of the high impact news. Okay, so again, like pretty much be very careful trying to predict tops and bottoms. That game is absolutely in favor of the the banks and the brokers, okay? Because trying to predict swing lows or swing highs, try to catch exactly tops and bottoms, it's a very, very dangerous game, and you will most likely be a loser in that game. So I will want to just try to make you some to bring you some more examples. For example, this we got to this swing low, but this swing low, you see, we got some tests of that swing high, this swing high, okay? And you see this bar here, it's something which is the very narrow spread of the bar, and there is no professional interest for a higher price. So this is a very good selling because of this cluster, okay? Even this, it looks like a shakeout bar. This bar finished in the top, so it means that it can also represent the buying climax, and it was the buying climax. So you have the buying climax, and then some uptrust bars, and supply came in, resistance got tested here, and also no demand confirmed that you can sell there. For example, with a stop loss, let's say 22 pips, it's enough, and you got 70 pips here. And after that, after you saw this swing low got successfully tested, you can pretty much exit here with a 1-3 ratio. That's it. Okay, so that's how you scale out. Even if you sold there, you scale out there because you got a potential reverse position, because we're building some fine, very good support around 1.4 340 area, and it is very strong support. It's a major support, and it looks very, so far everything looks very, very good for now. And I hope my target is in this area where the supply came in. Also, if you go to the daily time frame, this is where the supply came in. This is swing high, so I want to try to catch 140 pips or 1 to 4, even more, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Actually, I want to catch in this as an example. Maybe I even hold more, but depend on the price action and depend what I will see on the chart in the next period. So again, in this setup, I will put right now, a stop loss on the break even. So I don't want to. Since I'm in plus 42 pips, we already broke the previous swing highs, or this resistance of the trading range. So if the price go here, something is wrong for sure, and there is no professional interest for the higher price. So I secure this, so I cannot lose anything from this setup, and I'm awaiting my target final here. Okay, that will be all for this analysis. I hope that you like my analysis and that you understood what I told you about the testings and the importance of the testings and the volume analysis. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you like my analysis, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my work on the trading journal on the Forex Factory, the Art of Trading by Petar Serbia. Wish you good trading and have a nice day.